CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? In this part of the video, I'm going to talk about how to log into an existing TronLink wallet on a new computer that you haven't accessed your wallet or your funds. So the situation that how this would be created would be, let's say you create on your laptop, you create a TronLink wallet and you write down your passphrase and your password, and you've got all the information, and then let's say you have coins in there, right? Let's say you have 1,000 Tron in that wallet. The question is, how do you access that same wallet on a different computer? And I think a lot of new users are going to run into this problem. So I'm assuming I just got on this computer, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Google Chrome store and I'm going to install the TronLink app. Okay, TronLink, add to Chrome. Excellent. TronLink has been added to Chrome. Okay, now you're like, okay, so do I just log into it? No, that's not how it works. So I click on TronLink and it says enter password to encrypt wallet. Wait a minute. This is how I created my original TronLink wallet. How am I going to get to my other TronLink wallet? The trick here is, and it's a little counterintuitive, is just enter some bogus information in here. 1234, 1234, continue. Okay, go to wallet. Now, basically, it doesn't give you the option to import or export on the first screen, and that's what's confusing. So what you have to do is you have to import your old account. Okay, and that's pretty easy to do, assuming you follow the instructions in the install video of writing all your important TronLink information down. So click on accounts, click on import, Tron watch, Tron scan, mnemonic phrase, or the private key, and that's on encrypted private key. So if you watched video number 2, I think it was, how to install, and I'm assuming I had all my juicy information on my encrypted thumb drive or whatever. So you have two options here. You can either use the private key you wrote down or the mnemonic phrase. Both of them will work. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my private key, and I'm going to click private key. I'm going to paste that in there and hit import. And then this account name on this computer, even though it's pointed to your original TronLink wallet, you can name it whatever, and you'll say master wallet or whatever you want to call it. Okay, hit OK. Success. Go to wallet. Now you see the default account, and then you see the master wallet, which is the imported account, which had my coins in it. So that's all there is to it. That's how you log into an existing wallet on a new computer.